This is Jeff with the Eternity Shore, and as you can see by my backyard, the leaves are changing, and that means the boat's coming out of the water soon. So today is Monday, October 31st. It is Halloween, so happy Halloween to you. We're gonna have to winterize the freshwater system that Mary and I started doing on Saturday. Okay, so we just did a pump out on our way back from our last little outing, and now we are draining, getting rid of all the water, fresh water from the freshwater tank. So it may take a while because we had a lot of water still in there.
What's going on down there?
I'm trying to determine exactly how to winterize the hot water heater because it's way back in there, but I just figured it out. But I'm gonna need someone like a smaller person, like a ninja. If I could find somebody like a Russian gymnast, somebody like that would be able to go over here and see if they can undo a valve.
Oh, pick me.
Mary, can I get your help?
Yes.
All right, so I'm at the marina with my friend Brian. Say hey, Brian.
Hello, hello. I'm here with the captain.
We usually have other boats, and well, we don't have a boat here, but a lot of the boats are out of the water for the season. All these pontoons that are normally here are all gone. October 31st. Bernie moved his boat down there. So this is the last day that I will be on the water. Any kind of trip thing and Brian are going to go together. First thing we're going to do is we're going to finish winterizing the freshwater systems. So we'll get to that and we'll show you how we're doing that. Okay, so in terms of winterizing the freshwater system, the first thing that Mary and I did was, that is the freshwater tank right there. We turned on the pump and we opened up all the valves and everything, and you can see it's all the way down. You may not be able to see that, but it's all the way down to the bottom. You can't get that rest of the stuff out. So another reminder for those of you who have followed this channel the whole time, our hot water heater used to be right here where this diesel generator was placed. And the reason why the hot water heater needed to be moved is because we run on gas, not diesel, and the diesel tank needed to be put right there. So the diesel tank is there, diesel generator's there. They moved the hot water heater behind this black water tank here, back there. Now Mary last time was able to go in there and she undid that valve, and what we're going to do is we're going to shut that valve, and we're going to run antifreeze through the whole system. So if you want, you can bypass the hot water heater by taking out the hot and the cold and just attaching them to themselves so that the antifreeze doesn't run through the hot water heater. But because it's so far back, and antifreeze is $3.98 a gallon, so I decided to just buy extra antifreeze and we'll run it through the whole hot water tank. So that's another 5 gallons. So I think we'll probably put about 8 gallons of antifreeze in the freshwater tank, and then we'll run it through all these systems, and we should be good to go. All right, so Brian and I just put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put in 7 gallons, right, Brian?
7.
We did not film because it goes right here, and we need 2 of us, so I need to hold the funnel so that we could get the 7 gallons of pink antifreeze, and I've got a bunch more. That's going to be for the engines. So now what we're going to do is we are going to turn on the water pump, which will probably start running right away. Here's the shower pump. Here's the water pump. And that's running. It's probably filling up the hot water here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so now I'm going to turn the hot water on here. Yep. Here it comes.
There it is.
All right. So we got pink there. So that's good. Now it probably will stop if it's full now. There it goes. It's gonna stop. Okay, so we'll do the cold.
Oh yeah.
Pink there. Shower.
Yeah.
Start with the hot. I have the reason I'm doing this is because this is the gray water system, and this pink will go into the gray water system, which I'll show you. There's pink right there.
Yeah.
That's good. Now I'm going to switch to the cold. Oops. All right, cold is pink. I'm going to put toilet. There's pink. I'm actually going to flush that into the black water tank. It's going to smell bad, by the way. This area here, pink, coming out. And got the shower. Start with the cold. Did I turn the pump off?
You turned something off.
I don't think I did. It's just a pressure issue, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, there's pink there. Okay. We'll do the hot. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Right away. The hot water here is right under this.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is pink in there. Oh, it's hard to see if I'm gonna get the. There we go. There is pink in there. That's the gray water system. So this is all good to go for the winter.